Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to fix messenger calls not ringing. So if messenger calls aren't ringing, the issue is usually caused by notifications, app permissions, battery saving, or messenger's call settings. So try these fixes. So first, go to your phone settings. Then from here, scroll down to apps and open it. Then scroll down and look for messenger. Open it. Now from here, scroll down and select notifications. And make sure you allow notifications. So make sure you toggle this on, just like so. And make sure alerts like lock screen, notification center, banners, sounds, and badges are turned on. You can also make sure show previews is set to always or when locked. Now let's go back to main settings. So once you're on main settings, go to focus and make sure do not disturb is turned off or disabled. Next, go to sounds and haptics and make sure silent mode is disabled. So turn that off just like so. You can also increase the volume just like so. Next, you can check your messenger notifications. So go to messenger. Then from here, go to menu at the bottom right. Then go to settings. Then scroll down and go to notifications and sounds. Make sure do not disturb is turned off. And scroll down and make sure show previews is turned on. Next, if that still doesn't solve the issue, what you can do is to update Messenger. So go to App Store or Play Store, then from here, search for Messenger, open it, and if you see an update button, make sure you tap on that to update it to the latest version. Then open Messenger again and see if that solves the issue. And that's basically it.